You little baby zombie. You gonna eat daddy? Oh! Don't hit the camera. Ah! No! You gotta die. Are you my little monster? You my little monster? Don't choke on your own spit. You okay? Ah! 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 Hey guys, well it is the 21st of June today, beginning of summer. It's kind of chilly actually, but we're making a day out of it. We're going to go up to a couple of different waterfalls and we're going to end up in Michigan, which really ain't that bad, or that far away I should say. Right now we're in the town of Pembine and we're headed to Longslide Falls. Check this out. Looks like we're in a old town here. Look at, oh my god, look at all the logging stuff going on over there. You guys see that? Wow. Really feels like we're in a Northwoods right now. Well, probably because we are. But anyway, yeah, yesterday was interesting. I had a model photo shoot and we went to the waterfalls where Ezzy and I had gone to, but they were flooded and we couldn't even hardly get to where we needed to be. And then it started downpouring. Oh, Morgan County Park, that's what we want.
It says to keep going.
Okay, alright. Anyway, today we are checking out Longslide Falls and there's two more, what? 12-foot falls, and there's one in, I keep wanting to say Canada, but we're I always think of Michigan as Canada for some stupid reason. But no, there's one in Michigan at the town called Niagara. It's supposed to be just beautiful, so we're gonna go check that out. And it's Amanda's day off, so thought we'd have a little fun, do a little bit more sightseeing, get to know our area a little bit more. So here we go. Alright, so we're here. You can hear it. You listen. Below the falls.
Ooh, black winged dragonflies. Those are my favorite. Give me your hand. Hand.
As he winks out. No, they didn't. Wow, I can hear it. Wow. That's some rapids right there. Holy guys, this is freaking awesome. So I'm doing a time lapse now of these falls here. And I mean, check this out. Beautiful. Look at this cliff. There's like a little gully back there. A rock fell down. Trees still growing out of it.
Ready?
Alright, we're on our way down to the bottom here. Go!
Go!
Come on, buddy, you can do it.
Go over.
I can't get under it. Oh, I hear a deer.
Keep going.
Good job. Wait, go. Oh. Woohoo. Come on, honey.
There's mud.
Oh, well.
Here, Jack. I
Oh.
have to carry you eventually. I don't want you stepping in it. Okay, ready? Oh, man. Oh, that's stinky mud, too.
Whew.
Oh, goodness. I'm loving this trail.
This ain't a trail. This is a deer trail. God. Alright, Ezzy. Wait for Mama to get across. Go. Oh, wow.
Okay, stay in front of that
And
stick.
I walk.
Stay right in front of that stick.
Go around it.
Come straight across
Whatever.
that stick.
Let's go.
Hold on, please.
Oh, wow. We are going right to the base of the falls here. Look at the foam. Oh my goodness. You can touch it. Oh, guys, this is cool. Holy shit. Wow. This big old cedar tree. Landslide Falls does not fail to impress. This is amazing. Oh, hold on. Oh, wow. Look at that. Tell you what, those pictures they have online don't do it justice. Nothing. You like that? I did not think we could get this close.
It's coming so fast. You want to touch it? Okay, so you gotta hold on first. You gotta hold on. Yep, I'll put you down in just a second.
Oh, I feel the mist. Cool. Time to take some pictures.
You've never touched baseball before.
Oh. Watch out for the sea monster. Okay. Can you climb up there like a monkey? Oh, look how big you are. Oh my God. Let's go. Come on, honey. Jump. Don't wipe out whatever you're doing. Come on. Whoa, cheater. Yeah. It kind of had the reverse effect.
I know.
Alright, so we try to get pictures.
Yeah, no.
I don't know.
That's the way
It's hard to get that smooth effect in the middle of the day. Because you got to do all sorts of different settings, and
Don't.
I'm not happy with it. But we got,
good shots.
yeah, Amanda got good shots, but
Just shitty
with a
camera.
phone, yeah.
Hey.
But nonetheless, it was definitely cool. We'll be coming back here for sure. All right, we made it back. A little bit of hassle with Jack, but other than that, it was really cool. Yeah, really amazing. There's this other little falls up the road here called Smalley Falls. I think me and Amanda are going to run to and check out if we can get to it. Alright, we're headed down to Smalley Falls. Is it too? Ditch the kids. We got them locked in the van with the air conditioning, the car running, and the movie playing. I think the volume's a little loud too.
She can get up.
Yeah, me and Amanda just want to check this out because this kid's really weigh us down after a while.
Squishy.
Yeah.
Squishy.
Listen.
Squishy.
I did fall into the water. Just a little bit. 1 foot. Oh, I hear running water. God, this woods is beautiful up here. One of the concerns I really have is that there is a huge wolf population. Oh, that trail looked easier. Hey! Cut me off. Not over here. Oh, this is not, that's treacherous. Wait, babe. You see him yet? It sounds like they're over on the right.
Yeah, but I want to see from the bottom.
Ugh. Still can't see him yet. Oh. Can you see him?
Yeah, this is we're gonna get some down here, I think.
Oh wow, look at that. Yeah, we should go up. Beautiful gorge though. Okay. Wow.
We're not telling us about this.
Oh my God.
We're just telling there were some small rinky-dink ones.
These are beautiful. Man. Alright, there goes nothing. Wait, babe. I can feel my knee. I can feel my knee's gonna go any minute. rolling. Okay. Yeah, I want to go up too. Hold on. Oh, nice. Be careful. Wow. She's going all the way. I'm not as sure-footed as she is. Oh my goodness. This is beautiful. Oh wow.
Trying to see it, if we can see it better.
Smalley Falls. Oh yeah, this is amazing. Welcome to the Northwoods. This woman makes me so nervous. Look at her. Honey, cut it out. You're making me freak out. Gone. Forever.